Hey guys, Roby here with another Divi Engine quick tip for you. Today, we're going to be looking at WooCommerce, one of its awesome mods that allow you to enhance your shopper's experience and highlight the sale price of the items they've added to their cart. Now, if you ever shopped on Etsy.com and added a product to your cart, you would have seen a page similar to this one. This is our cart page. You see this discounted price that's struck through and highlights the sale price over here. Now, we're going to do that in WooCommerce, and it's super simple. We're going to start with this blank canvas here. We've got our cart page built out in Divi BodyCommerce. And I already know that this lanyard is on sale here, but you can't really tell that by looking at the cart. So it's not really adding that value for the customer. Now, when I jump back here on the back end of my site, I'm going to show you how we do that really quick. Just go to Divi Engine, WooCommerce MODS, and then you click here on the cart checkout mods. All you need to do is just enable the show regular sale price on cart page. Flick that to yes, save it, and then we hop back on the front end. We'll refresh this page, and there you have it. We've got a price struck through here. That's the original price, highlighting the sale price, expressing to your customers the value and the money that they just saved by using your web store and on the sale that you are offering. And that's that for this quick tip, guys. This is Roby from the Divi Engine team. And if you're not yet familiar with WooCommerce, definitely check out the link in the description so that you can learn how you can enhance your customers' shopping experience and take your online store to the next level. See you guys in the next video.